Welcome to this tutorial on how to change multiple colors at the same time in Figma. In this guide you will learn how to quickly update the colors of various design elements to achieve a consistent look in your project. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the site loads, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the page, where you will see the login option. Click on login to begin the authentication process. After clicking login, you will be presented with several options for signing in. To keep things simple, choose the option that says continue with Google. Once you make your selection, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Pick the account that you wish to use, and the Figma platform will verify your credentials and grant you access to your work environment. This streamlined process is designed to integrate your Google account with Figma seamlessly, ensuring that you can start editing without any delays. With your account now activated, it is time to access your project. Locate the project you intend to work on within your Figma dashboard. If you are following along with a sample project, simply click on the link or name of the project to open it. Inside your project, you will see various shapes or elements that have been created using different colors. The key objective here is to change the color properties of these elements simultaneously so that your overall design maintains uniformity. The next step involves selecting the specific shapes or elements for which you want to update the colors. Use your mouse to click and drag a selection box around the desired items, or hold down the shift key and click on each element individually. This selection ensures that the changes you are about to make will affect every element chosen, streamlining the process and saving you time. It is important to be precise during this stage, as carefully selecting the elements is crucial for a consistent outcome across your design. Once you have successfully selected the design elements, direct your attention to the Properties panel found on the right side of the interface. Here you will notice a section labeled Selection Colors. This area displays the color properties currently applied to your chosen elements. The panel makes it easy to identify which colors need updating. To proceed, focus on one color field that you wish to change. Use the provided option to copy the current color code displayed in the panel. After copying the color code, move on to the other color fields in the selection where you want to apply the same update. Paste the copied color code into these fields, ensuring that all selected elements are updated simultaneously. This method is particularly effective as it guarantees consistency throughout your design, which is essential for maintaining a professional and polished look. Before wrapping up your session, take a moment to review your changes. Check that all elements reflect the new color and that there are no unintended discrepancies. A quick review can help you catch any mistakes before finalizing your edits. This workflow, from accessing the Figma website to pasting the new color code, offers a systematic and efficient approach to adjusting multiple colors at once. Following these steps allows you to achieve a cohesive design quickly and efficiently. With practice, you will find that updating your design elements in Figma becomes a smooth and intuitive process. Enjoy creating and refining your projects using these techniques.